Fixing compost pH is a more careful operation than fixing garden bed pH, and the reason is the density and diversity of the microbial community that composting depends on. A garden bed with the wrong pH can receive lime and recover over weeks as the biological community adjusts to the gradually changing conditions. A compost pile with the wrong pH contains a microbial community that is actively driving the decomposition process, and disrupting that community through pH shock. A rapid large shift from the current conditions toward the target can halt the decomposition activity that is the entire point of the pile. Understanding the microbial pH sensitivity is the starting point. The organisms in a compost pile are not a single population with a single optimal pH. They are a succession of communities, early acid phase bacteria that function well at pH 4.5 to 5.5, mid-phase mesophilic bacteria that drive the active heating at pH 5.5 to 7.0, thermophilic bacteria operating at pH 6.0 to 7.5 in the hot center, and late-stage actinomycetes producing the earthy finished compost characteristics at pH 6.5 to 8.0. These communities transition through the decomposition process, each creating the conditions that favor its successor. Managing pH through this succession is different from managing pH in a static growing medium. The problem with a single large lime or wood ash application to an acidic pile is that it applies the change before the microbial community has had time to equilibrate to the new conditions. The acid-tolerant organisms currently driving whatever decomposition is occurring are suppressed or killed by the sudden alkalinity shift. The neutral-preferring organisms that the lime application was intended to support are not yet present in sufficient numbers to fill the activity gap. The pile stalls, temperature drops, activity slows, and the grower has solved the pH problem while simultaneously stopping the composting process until the microbial community recovers. Gradual correction through small repeated additions is what addresses acidic compost without this disruption. Perfect Plants Garden Lime, calcium carbonate, 2 quart 6 pound container, is the amendment that adjusts compost pH gently enough to allow the microbial community to adapt rather than being abruptly displaced. Calcium carbonate dissolves slowly in the pile environment, releasing calcium and raising pH in a progression that the existing microbial community can track rather than being overtaken by. Working it into the pile in cup-sized additions, with a measurement interval between each addition to allow the chemistry to equilibrate before the next application, produces the incremental pH shift that moves the pile toward the neutral target without the biological disruption of a single large application. The target range for a healthy active pile is 6.0 to 7.0, not strictly neutral but the range where the broadest community of useful composting organisms thrives. The link is in the description. Adding alkaline brown material alongside the lime, dry cardboard shredded, straw, dry autumn leaves, serves the dual purpose of raising pH through carbon-rich material while simultaneously correcting the carbon-to-nitrogen ratio imbalance that often accompanies over-acidification from nitrogen-rich acidic inputs. Most acidic piles became acidic partly from too much food waste and too little carbon material. The combined correction addresses both imbalances at once. Subscribe to Garden Guru. The product links are in the description. See you in the next one.